I'm Anna Vagan, and today I want to talk briefly about the Conversation Paths Pack expanded version and how it fits with the Common Core State Standards as well as evidence-based practice. These two spreadsheets are included just for your information, and they're available to share with administrators or parents, and just for yourself to be familiar with how the conversation paths works with these two very important frameworks. Let's look first at the Common Core State Standards. The way that I've presented this is I have listed in general terms the phrases from the Common Core State Standards. There is a reference here at the very bottom. You can refer to that website to get the specific wording by grade level, which you can then use when you're writing goals. Looking across the top, I covered three different aspects of the Conversation Paths expanded version. First, there are the conversational frames. These are the paths themselves and the various parts of them. Next, because there's an additional interactive conversation rubric that talks about other important aspects of conversation, I've included this in this spreadsheet showing how aspects of this program, again, are compatible with the Common Core State Standards. There are also additional conversation practice activities listed. Those are the double think, the remembers, the practicing opinions, the being engaged in low interest topics, and the conversation in real time. And here at the right side is information about how they fit with the Common Core standards. The second spreadsheet is how Conversation Paths expanded version fits with evidence-based practice. This is also for your information and to share with others who might be asking. So the same way, it has the same three sections across the top: the paths themselves, the conversation paths practice activities, and conversation in real time. So again, you can look at this and you can see what aspects, for example, are reflect modeling in the teaching framework, the evidence-based practice. Again, at the bottom, there's a reference for you to read more about evidence-based practices. And you'll find that there are two different kind of extra, there's a guide to the indicators. The check means that it's an integral component, and the little asterisk is it's added at the discretion. So if you want to do video modeling, you certainly could do it. If you wanted to bring in peers, you certainly could do that, but that isn't strictly in the program. It's at your discretion. So I hope this gives you just a little bit more information about the program.